Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. If you're a Cox internet user and your modem is blinking orange, don't panic. It's a common issue that can often be fixed with a few simple steps. This light typically indicates problems like connectivity issues, signal interference, or even a temporary glitch in the system. In this video, we'll walk you through how to troubleshoot and resolve it quickly, so you can get back online in no time. First things first, start by checking your physical connections. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into the modem and the wall outlet. Also, inspect the coaxial cable, it's the one that connects your modem to the wall jack, and ensure it's tight and undamaged. Loose cables are a frequent culprit for this blinking light. If everything looks good there, try restarting your modem. Unplug it from the power source, wait about 30 seconds to let it fully reset, and then plug it back in. This simple power cycle can clear up minor software glitches and restore normal operation. Give it a couple of minutes to reboot and check if the light turns solid. Still seeing that orange blink? Next, head over to the Cox website or their app to check for any service outages in your area. Sometimes, the issue is on their end, like maintenance or weather-related problems, and there's not much you can do until it's resolved. If no outages are reported, it's time to update your modem's firmware. Log into your Cox account online, navigate to the device settings, and look for any available updates. Installing the latest firmware can fix bugs and improve performance. It's like giving your modem a fresh software upgrade. If none of these steps work, it might be a hardware issue, such as a faulty modem. In that case, contact Cox customer support directly. They can run diagnostics or even send a technician if needed. Remember, troubleshooting tech problems is all about being patient and methodical. I hope this guide helps you fix that blinking orange light and gets your internet running smoothly again. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Cox modem questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.